大家好，一日之计在于晨，感恩今天我们能够在郊外晨运，这里的环境还算没有被发展的洪流破坏，青山绿水，小桥流水，南洋色彩的椰树，还可以呈现在眼前。
Selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi.
Morning. Our story continue. This morning, now we are at a village. In traditional Chinese medicine, the harmonization of yin and yang and the unity of heaven and humanity are considered extremely important. Nowadays, it's rare to find even a small piece of pure land right here. Look at the birds flying just now. The winding bird path in the countryside, the occasionally chirping of birds. Just now, traversed by vehicles are only the downside to the beauty of morning exercise. So far, overall, we are able to exercise every morning. Oh, we can also exchange greetings and have a chat with fellow villagers, which is quite enjoyable. Occasionally, while walking, we can appreciate the beauty of birds, such as the kingfisher and the cranes. Health is well. Caring for the earth, protecting the environment. Hoping that this place can retain its original appearance and attract more people to engage in the morning exercises. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy.